Number 3. Whale. Blue whales makes very deep low-pitched sound that have been recorded as high as 108 decibels at 1 meter from the sound source. Far and away the loudest sound made by any animal. Number 2. Thunderstorm. The loudness of thunder can be expressed in decibels. A clap of thunder typically registers up at about 120 decibels in close proximity to the ground stroke. Number 1. Volcano eruption. The world's loudest sound, the sound made by Krakatoa volcanic eruption in 1883, was so loud it ruptured eardrums of people at 40 miles away, traveled around the world 4 times, and was clearly heard 3,000 miles away.